P, 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 parrot. P, 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 pen. Q, 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 queen. Q, 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 quilt. Today we are going to learn capital cursive letter P and Q. Yes, beta, let's start. P, 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 P. Start from first line. Go down to the third line. Then turn to the left. Go up to the top. Then round to the second line. And end it to the curve. Okay, clear beta? See again. Okay, clear beta? Now next letter is Q. Q, Q. Q sound is Q. Put your pencil on the top. Come down. And touch the third line. Go up with the right curve. Till top line and turn it inside and make a curve line on third line. Now see again. Okay, clear beta? Bye bye. Thank you.